Deputy Chief Minister in charge of Home, Preston Tingsong, has informed that the police have arrested 2 suspects in relation to the death of Elius Ryndong at Paham Maulen 20 Mile. Replying to a 0-hour notice raised by United Democratic Party MLA from Nongpor, Meryl Bond's aim during the budget session of the Meghalaya Legislative Assembly today, Tingsong said that the police are on the job and investigation on the case is on. It may be recalled that Ryndong was a 70-year-old man who was found dead at his agricultural farm recently. Within a short span of time and due to swift action taken by the Reboy police, 2 persons from Paham Maulen village and the Bernihad police outpost were arrested.
At the earliest, so that we can be booked as per the law of the land. This is my submission to this 0-hour notice. Thank you.
In this connection, a criminal case was registered by Nongpor PS case number 26 in bracket 03 2023 U/S 302 IPC, and investigation of the case is in progress. Mr. Speaker, sir, I want to inform the members of this August House that the police is leaving no stone unturned, and early this morning they were able to arrest 2 suspects relating to this case.
The State Agriculture